Hey guys, today I'm going to teach y'all how to make an array list using Java. So first, I'm going to open up Atom, and I'm named my document myArrayList.java. So first I need to import the array list. And I'm also going to import a scanner as well. So what array lists are good for? They're good to maintain a list of items, and each item within an array list is known as an element. And the advantages of using array lists is you can, change it up. You can change up the array list as the program goes on to edit to what you'd want to add or take out. So you can use stuff as like a grocery list, a wish list to store, numbers for, scores and stuff like that. So first, I'm going to do class, my array list, and then static void, and then I'm going to create a new scanner. I'm going to call it SC. You can call it whatever you'd like. And then for the scanner, I'm going to do a system out print, and I'm going to ask how big would the user would you like your array list? And then this way I'm going to declare int initial I'm going to call it initial size, and then I'm going to declare the name initial size equal the scanner.next. And next, I'm going to declare the array list. So array list and we'll put integer. And I'm going to call the array list vals list, but you can call it whatever you want. This new array list. There you go. And you can adjust the size using a reference type like integer. So here I use an integer, but you can't use a primitive type like an int or you'll get an error. Next, I'm going to create a for loop for this certain array. I'm going to make I equal to 1. Then I'll make I less than or equal to the initial size. And then I plus plus. And then there's different methods you can use for array lists. I'm going to use the add one today. So vals list.add I. So this way, every time it goes through the for loop, the first element will be 1, and then it'll add 1 to each element until whichever number the person inputted. And then I'm going to end 4, and then we got to print out the array list at the end. And then we're going to end class. Okay, so we'll see if this compiles. I'll open up PowerShell. My bad. So I'm going to compile Java C, my array list, Java. great, we got to the pile. So now we're gonna, and it says how big would you like your array? I'll put 5. So it's just 5, and then for each element, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's many ways you can edit the array. You can use .remove, .get, .set, .size are all different methods you can use to change up your arrays. So yeah, that's a basic tutorial of how to make an array list.